everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a showcase in Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com, and here click on Showcases and then click on New Showcase. And in the first section, you can fill in the details of your showcase and set the privacy settings. You can add a title, description, and set the privacy to public, hide from Vimeo, or password. You can also make it private if you are on the upgraded version of Vimeo. Let's just keep it public, and here you can enable the SEO. Then click on add video to add videos to your showcase. I will just go ahead and select these two videos. Then go to the next section, and here you can upload a thumbnail or add a thumbnail. You can select one from your videos. You can select a random thumbnail from one of the videos, or you can upload your own thumbnail. Let's just go ahead and select random, and then I will choose one from this video, and then select the thumbnail you want. If you don't like any of these, just click on refresh and then click on use this frame. Scroll down, and here you can upload a custom logo, and here you can change the accent color. Then go to the next section, and here you can optimize your site for discovery on search engines and social media. Just enable this option and fill in the details needed, and then click on save. And here you can set the layout of your showcase. You can keep it default, or you can select featured. Here you can choose light or dark. And here you can hide Vimeo navigation, add custom logo if you have one, add accent color, enable continuous play, allow share button, and allow video downloads. And in domain, you can personalize the name of your showcase and the link to your showcase. And here you can connect a domain that you already own to your showcase. And once you're happy, click on save and go to the next section. Here you can copy the embed code to embed your showcase in your website or blog. And here you can connect your videos to custom Roku, or you can connect your videos to a custom Amazon Fire TV app. And that's it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.